What if I told you the very first thing that you do in the morning needs a little correction to level up your day? Hey everyone, I'm your super dentist and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic, that is how to brush your teeth. It might sound very basic, but shockingly, most of us don't know the right technique of brushing, and rest just don't care. A proper brushing technique is very important to remove the plaque. It's a microbial biofilm that is present on the surface of the teeth. So what's the big deal in it? It will help in reducing the gum issues, the cavities, eventually saving a lot of time on the dental chair as well as saving a lot of money. Sounds interesting? Then make sure you watch this video until the end and show this to the children so that they learn and execute it at the earliest. Let's dive in. Alright, first thing first, let's grab our tools. First thing is a soft bristle toothbrush. Now it is important that we just clean the surface of the teeth and not damage them. Hence, soft will be enough to remove the plaque that is present on the surface. So why not hard bristles, you ask? It can be used to clean your shoes and corner of the furniture, but definitely not your teeth. Second is the toothpaste. Now this acts like an adjunct to your toothbrushing, meaning it helps as a foaming, polishing and a freshening agent. In some cases like high caries index, then a fluoride toothpaste is recommended, or in case of a sensitivity, then anti-sensitivity toothpaste is recommended. Unless recommended, a normal toothpaste would be sufficient. But remember, only a pea-sized toothpaste is sufficient. You don't need to overload your toothbrush. Think of it like a minimalist art, not a mountain of toothpaste. The third tool is the floss and the interdental brush, which I'll be explaining in detail in the upcoming videos. With all these tools ready, let's see how we can use it efficiently. Number one, positioning your toothbrush correctly. Hold your toothbrush at an angle of 45 degree to the surface of the teeth. Now this is important because the surface of the teeth is not exactly straight as we have imagined. It has a slight inward curvature near the gums. This is the exact location where the plaque and the tartar builds up, leading to the gum diseases. Holding the toothbrush at an angle will help us to access this region and clean thoroughly. Second, after positioning, we have to move it slowly in a back and forth or a circular motion to disrupt the bacteria in this region. This movement is followed by a rolling or a sweeping motion in outward direction. This will help in cleaning the entire surface of the teeth. It is very important that once we clean the outer aspect of the teeth, we clean the inner aspect in a very similar fashion. It has to be kept in mind, the brush should always be in contact with the tooth and not the gums. And rest, a back and forth movement or a circular movement with a sweeping motion will clean the inner aspect of the teeth as well. Now coming to the chewing or the occlusal surface of the teeth. A simple scrubbing back and forth motion will help us clean this surface easily. But the most neglected portion is the inner surface of the front teeth. Most of us forget or miss this region. A simple way to keep this area clean is by keeping your brush vertical and doing a up and down motion. Now this will help us clean the inner aspect of the front teeth. It is important that we clean all the surface of the teeth, that is outer, inward as well as the biting surface of the teeth. To make sure that we reach every nook and corner of the teeth, it is important that we divide our mouth into 4 segments. That is upper right, upper left and lower right. And moving across with your toothbrush in a systematic manner will make sure that you have cleaned the entire surface. It is important that we spend at least 30 seconds in each segment, making it 2 minutes overall for a proper oral hygiene. As the above technique requires a lot of fine motor skills, more often children are taught much simpler technique called Fones Technique. In this technique, a simple circular motion is used to clean the surface of the teeth. This is very efficient in cleaning all the surfaces. The only thing that has to be kept in mind is horizontal scrubbing should be avoided, as horizontal scrubbing can damage your enamel if done improperly. The only horizontal scrubbing to be done is on the biting surface or the occlusal surfaces, which will help in keeping that region clean. And that's it. A simple brushing technique can help you prevent cavities and gum diseases and will keep your breath fresh all day long. So remember, soft bristles, 45-degree angulation, small circular strokes, and reach out to every nook and corner of the oral cavity, and finally spend at least 2 minutes for brushing. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your family and friends so that you can help me to spread awareness and healthy smiles. If you have any doubts regarding the toothbrushing technique, please comment below. I would love to help you out. Please like this video and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, keep brushing and keep smiling.